behalf of Collision. Let's go. Hello. I've never gone to a Collision event without a Vancouver Takeover. And this year is a little bit more of a special one. Vancouver is officially getting the Web Summit next year, which is super, super, super exciting. So for all the Torontonians, we'll have to do a Toronto Takeover event there next year.
It's going to be an opportunity to celebrate Vancouver, celebrate Canada, and celebrate the tech